What if I told you your videos aren't failing because they're bad, they're failing because YouTube doesn't trust you yet? Yeah, there's a hidden system behind every view you get, and if you don't understand it, you'll stay stuck at 0 views forever. The moment you create a new channel, YouTube doesn't just let you post freely. Quietly runs a background check on you. Not your name, not your face, but your behavior. Are you a real person? Will you actually post consistently? Will people enjoy your content? If the answer is maybe, YouTube puts you in something creators call 0 view jail. That's when your shorts get literally no reach, no impressions, no audience, nothing. Behind the scenes, YouTube assigns your channel a hidden rating. Your trust score. Think of it like a credit score, but for content. Low trust. YouTube won't risk showing your videos. High trust. They'll push your content to thousands instantly. So how do you build trust? Use a real aged account. Enable all channel features. Avoid spammy behavior. And most importantly, post like a human, not a bot, because the faster YouTube believes in you, the faster you start getting views. Once you pass the trust phase, you enter the real game. Every video you post gets shown to a small test group, usually around 20,000 to 30,000 people. This is your audience test. YouTube is trying to answer one question: who actually cares about this content? That's why your graph always looks the same. A slow start, a spike, then suddenly flat. It's not random. It's YouTube testing your video, then deciding if it's worth pushing further. If your video stops at 1K, 5K views, weak hook or low retention, 10K, 25K views, good content, wrong audience match, 30K plus views, you're very close to going viral. Most people panic at this stage, but actually, that 20K, 30K range is a good sign. It means your content works. YouTube just needs more data to find the right viewers. Here's what actually makes a video blow up: retention, not likes, not comments, not even subscribers. If people stay and watch, YouTube pushes your video harder. You want a strong hook in the first 2 seconds, no boring moments, and a smooth, engaging flow. Because one thing can save a dead video: perfect retention. Once you get your first viral video, everything shifts. You enter what creators call a momentum phase. Now YouTube has proof this creator can keep people watching, so your future videos get pushed faster and wider. But here's the catch: if you get lazy here, bad uploads, inconsistent posting, you can lose that momentum just as fast. If you want to grow quickly, do this: post every single day. Focus on watch time, not views. Stick to a niche people actually care about, and improve every upload, because every video teaches the algorithm who your audience is. The more you post, the smarter YouTube gets about you. And if you think this system is brutal, wait till you see why most creators never make it past 100 videos. Click the video on your screen right now, because that's the difference between staying stuck and actually going viral.